My name is Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to make all the necessary adjustments to our door. I'm also going to complete all the finishing touches. Inside the box with the handles, you're going to locate two of these packages. You're going to have your covers for the adjustment rollers and the bumpers. One of the adjustments you can make is the panel's height. You can adjust the roller with a number 3 screwdriver and taking the weight off the panel. By turning it, you can lower or raise the panel. Once the roller's been adjusted, push in your cover to hide the adjustment screw. Inside the same package, you'll find the bumpers, the mill finish bumpers for the track and the color match bumpers for the head. There will also be instructions indicating how to assemble and which way to set the bumpers on the frame. Our bumpers are now assembled and ready to slip onto the frame. Follow the same steps on the left side of the door. Now it's time to install the high pile dust plugs. The white one's going to go in the head of the frame, and the gray one's going to go in the track. It is going to cover up the gap between the frame and the top of the panels. Peel the backing off and stick it to the head of the frame. This will eliminate any daylight from above. I'm now going to adjust the dual mortise lock. You can adjust the distance of each latch with the flathead screws. Turning it clockwise will extend the latch. Turning it counterclockwise will bring the latch in. You have this flathead screw for this latch, and you have this flathead screw for this latch. So to recap, in this video, we made the necessary adjustments and completed all the finishing touches. I'm Patrick Jamison, and thank you for watching.